Alright, so for our last main module, we're going to talk about the turtle module. And this is going to be the introduction to GUI, or I'm not sure how you're going to pronounce it, but GUI, so Graphical User Interface. So mainly all our GUI is going to be happening with the Tkinter module, okay? And I have a whole section for that, which is probably the next section. But before we get to the Tkinter, there's another basic module that I just want to explore and give you guys a chance to maybe get the hang of how things work. So this module is called the Turtle module, and it's fantastic for small sketches, small drawings, creating very basic shapes and animation, okay? And the way this works is, well, first thing first, import turtle onto your shell, okay? Import turtle. Now, to draw simple shapes with the turtle module, you first have to initialize a pen, okay? So to initialize a pen, you use the command t.turtle, t is equal to turtle.pen, okay? Note the capital P. And as soon as you do that, you now notice on your bottom right screen, you can't see that because I'm only recording part of my screen, but this Python launcher has now appeared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, and for most of you this should have worked. You're now going to see the small black arrow on your screen. Pretty neat, right? And what you can do now is you can make that black thing move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize my screen over here, and I'm going to bring this up over here so that it doesn't become too cluttered for you. And one sec. So I'm sorry about that. Let me just do this. Alright, so the way we can make this turtle pen move is via some simple commands. The commands are forward, left, right, forward, whatever you want, but think of it like this. So I'm sure you must have used degrees, or maybe in 8th, 9th grade in geometry you learned about degrees, right? So you know what a 90-degree angle is, you know what a 180-degree angle is, you know what a 30-degree angle is, and so on. So that we're going to be using angles or degrees to make this object move. So the first command you might want to write is t.forward, let's say 50, okay? What does that do? Immediately you can see on the right hand side of your screen, this arrow or this object has now moved 50 pixels, I believe, to the right or to forward. So let's say we want to move it up. Let's try to make a square here. So we want to now turn him to the left, make him go up. So what is up here? Up is 90 degrees to the left. So we write that command, t.left 90, okay? And as you can see, now our pointer or our object is now moving upwards. So t.forward 50 again. We now have half our square done. Let's go ahead and do t.left 90 again. And now it's turned again, t.forward 50. And to finish it off, t.left, 90, and then t.forward 50. So this is a very simple and easy square to make in our turtle module. So again, very interesting. The whole concept of the turtle module is you initialize the pen, and then using commands like t.forward, t.left, t.right, you can create some very, very simple shapes, right? Awesome. So the next thing I want to talk about is reset. So let's go ahead and quickly cover how to reset the screen. Awesome, fantastic. So we've now created a very simple square, I guess you'd say, in our turtle module. We've learned how to initialize turtle, how to create the pen, how to move our object, make it turn and such. And in the next few lectures, we'll be covering more and more functions that deal with this turtle module.